Here's one simple way to increase your Etsy shop views on your digital and printable products. Now, you might be wondering, why are views so important? Why do I need to increase my Etsy shop views? And it seems pretty simple, like more views equals more eyeballs equals more sales, right? Well, if you've ever looked at your Etsy stats, you've probably seen two things, views and visits, and there is a difference and it's important. So let's break that down real quick. So visits refers to the number of shoppers that look at your store, regardless of how many different products they look at for any given time period. So think of it this way, one visit is one visitor. Views, on the other hand, is the number of different things that people look at in your shop. So one visit could refer to one visitor who goes into your shop and looks at 4 different products and they click on your shop homepage. And that would actually be 5 views and 1 visit. So now that you know the difference, why does it matter? It matters because we want to have more views than we do visits. And if those numbers are almost identical in your Etsy shop stats, it means that you need to increase your Etsy shop views. And I'm going to show you one easy way to do this here in this video. Increasing your Etsy shop views is a good indicator when you have high views that people are really interested in your product, they're engaged with your shop, and they're more likely to buy. Let me show you how. One way that you can increase your Etsy shop views is by using consistent branding. I'm going to show you 3 Etsy shops that I think do a really good job of providing consistent branding in different ways. So the first one is Planner Mom Co. And they're very well established. They have 88,000 plus sales on Etsy. And one thing that you can see is that her products are relatively similar in layout. You can see that she generally stacks her mock-ups in the same way. She just added a lot of back to school. If we look at any of her different categories, health and fitness, for example, although the colors and styling might be different, we can see some very consistent layouts in the way that she stacks her mock-ups and her sheets across the different products. So this is a really good example of this. We can see that she wants to convey quality of how much is available in the product, which is why she has so many different pages in the mock-ups. So that's a really good way to show consistent branding. Another way is to use consistent color palettes and consistent fonts so that your products are easily recognizable in Etsy search. Sora Collective is one of my favorite Etsy shops to show branding because hers is so good. And this is a very niche shop, by the way. It is specifically for real estate agents, and she has over 10,000 sales. So you can see that she uses the same beige backdrop in all of her product listing photos, as well as the same fonts consistently over and over. And then finally, I also wanted to show you Moneymaker Mockups, another favorite shop of mine when it comes to branding. They have over 50,000 sales. They're doing pretty good. She does a lot of seasonal collections. So heads up, digital and printable product sellers, if you do a lot of seasonal items, this is a branding tip for you. Create a consistent color palette with each season. So in the shop, a lot of these mock-up photos she does, this is her fall collection. She has like sweaters, and these look like pumpkin spice lattes. And you can see that she uses the same color palette throughout all of the products for that season. And I'll show you another example. If we go to Christmas, we can see she uses the same shades of red, the same shades of green, the same shades of white throughout her entire collection as a really good way to establish branding. I hope that you found this quick, simple tip helpful, and if you'd like to learn more about how to increase your Etsy shop views, as well as how to grow your digital or printable Etsy shop business, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.